In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 moving average on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView, then go to indicators here, this one. So click on it, and here at the search bar, type moving average, and choose this one, simple moving average, as you can see. So click on it, and now let's go back, and here we have the moving average, okay? Now, if we click on this drop-down menu, you will see here SMA. Click on this gear icon, go to length, and you will see 9. You have to change it to 20, like this. Click on OK. And this is our 20 moving average, okay? As you can see here, this one. Now, let's say you want to change the color and the thickness. All you have to do is go to SMA and click on the gear icon. Go to style, and you will see here the color. Click on it. Let's choose, for example, black. And we have here the thickness. I will choose, for example, this one. Click on it and click on OK. And now, as you can see, this is our 20 moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.